My bazooka is the best.
No, my machine gun is the best.
My little gun is nice.
This is a small gun. Throw it away.
Hey son, why are you crying? I will get a nice gun made for you. Hey Lily, can you make a gun that will make my son happy?
Yes, why not? I can definitely make it, but it will take some time to make it. You wait here. Today I will make the best gun for your son, friends. It is very difficult to make it, but it doesn't matter. Still, I will make a gun for his son, friends. I help poor people. Still, people do not like me. Only good boys and girls like my videos. If you guys are good boys and girls, then please like my video and subscribe to my channel. And definitely send your cute name in the comment. Let's see today. Whose name is the cutest, friends? The gun is ready.
Don't cry son, get this best gun for you.
Hey Dad, it's great.